Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with power completely removed. This prevents shorts and loss. Next, open the access panel. It's often 2 screws, then gently pry the casing with a plastic tool so you don't deform clips. Once inside, visually inspect the switch area for debris, corrosion, or a loose ribbon. Use compressed air to blow out dust. While you do this, keep small containers for screws and note connector orientation so reassembly is easy and safe. You now examine the switch assembly closely. Inspect contacts and pins for corrosion or physical damage because those cause intermittent failures. If you see residue, dampen a cotton swab with 90% plus isopropyl and gently clean the pads and contacts. Let it dry fully. Next, reseat the ribbon cable, align markers, and press the latch until it clicks. If you have a multimeter, check continuity across the switch. Replace the switch if it fails the test for a durable fix. You're ready to reassemble. Reverse the steps, ensure connectors are secure, and tighten screws snugly without over-tightening. Power the unit and test the button immediately. Try multiple presses and different pressure points. If the hardware appears good but behavior persists, perform a factory reset or firmware update because software can mimic hardware faults. If the button still fails, replace the switch module or seek professional repair. One key tip: always verify with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.